hold on. How the fuck do you talk to these girls, bro? Come on. How, bro?
You see the
How, my nigga?
Wait, what's your IG?
You want to know my IG for real?
Yeah.
Yeah. E.
Wait, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
You said K. Wait, huh? E.
No, she said E, bro.
Oh yeah, you know I.
A.
A.
T.
Mm-hmm.
MY. DICK. And it should pop up. You will see it. You can see it. Look at it. Look at your phone. Look at your phone.
Bro,
I'm
bro.
there.
Oh, this dead ass up.
See, I'm there.
What the?
Yeah, my time, is it worth it to me? Ooh.
I'm not pulling out, my nigga.
Be right back. So like, I'm gonna let you talk to our friend Nia right here. You know
Yo.
what I'm saying?
Wait, what's your name? What's your name?
Nia.
Nia? Where you from?
New York. What about you?
You from New York? I'm from Florida. Why you looked at me like that?
Cause like little niggas is thoughts. Like
Nah. Not me.
Cap.
Not me. How old you is?
how do I look?
18?
Younger.
Man.
I don't want to guess no more. You just say younger. I don't want to guess no more. I don't want to guess no more. Bro, 17. If you're younger than 17, I'm not talking to you no more, bruh.
All right.
No, I'm not gonna show you my ball.
Just show her the ball in this game.
All you finna do is laugh at me.
I'll go skip or laugh.
You sure?
Cause you know people be calling him like Lil Bill, all types of stuff. You know.
I don't know.
Come on,
I don't know.
take it off.
I'm very insecure. No,
Bro,
I'm
take
sorry.
it off, gang.
I can't.
They like, why y'all laugh? Like,
I know it, bro. I know it.
they ain't like,
I know it, bro.
they ain't like, why y'all like?
I know it, bro. Like she's dying, bro.
Like she really can't move, bro. She's still up.
Gabby, you could cook.
I can cook.
Okay, she can cook, but listen, my baddie, she not single. She's not single.
What that mean? He don't gotta know.
What?
Like,
She in a fucking relationship. That's what the fuck it means, and she's not gonna fuck with nobody.
listen.
That's what
Plus,
Young,
like,
but I'm strong.
bodybuilder. Bodybuilder.
Okay. How old are you?
19.
How old are y'all? Like,
Take a guess.
23.
Yeah, you got it. Good guess. That was
No
a good
way.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
G-A.
shirt, bro. I don't know. I gotta. Where's Hector?
Splendid. I done got blessed. They can't tell me God ain't real. I'm looking at one of his creations right here.
Bro, why are you trying to steal my girl?
I'm sorry. Well, all right.
Anyway.
I'm just let this way.
What's your name?
Maddie.
Maddie. How old are you, Maddie?
Old.
Oh, like cougar type old? Like,
What's a cougar age?
I don't know, 30 and up.
I gotta go.
Wait.
But don't.
Yeah, I do want to see. Let me see
Okay,
it.
thank you. See, I think I like directness.
Damn.
I'ma eat it.
Damn.
Is the
I need it.
turkey?
I need
I need it. I need it. I need it.
it.
Is the turkey?
I need it. Right now.
Right
What's
now.
the IG? I need it. Go ahead.
Let's see. All right. JAE.
Yeah.
No, I didn't say. Nigga.
Well, fuck you.
Bro, I will grab you by your head. Smash your face down.
Oh my
right
god!
there,
Right
on
in the
that-
pillow.
Right in the pillow.
Oh my god, my dad. Like these.
Are you good?
They feel.
Oh shit.
360.
What? I have no butt.
She got a little yamage.
Just go ahead. Just go ahead. Just
Come
go
on, come on,
ahead
come
and
on.
do it. Why not?
You got a
Why
little-
not?
Yeah, you
Why
already.
not?
She got. Wait, hold on. It's kind of pee back.
Bro, I'm giving you
She got
my
a-
kid. Bro.
I'm trapping your ass.
I am brick, bro. Chill. Stop jumping.
No, stop! What the fuck is wrong with you?
Stop.
Look, she finna make that face again. Look, Yo, what the fuck is going on, D-Verse?
Bro.
Boy in the gray hoodies, cute?
Nah, you think my dog right here?
Nah,
cute?
nah. I already asked
Nah,
her.
be real. Who look better?
Who
Be
look
real.
better?
Who
Him,
look
him,
better?
right?
I suck your dick.
Who?
I suck your dick.
Who?
You talking about him?
That nigga in the grave.
Hey, do a demonstration on how you would suck his shit. Like you doing two hands, one. You getting the ball?
Listen, I'm so used to doing it that I make the sounds.
You getting the balls too? The balls in the gooch?
Oh yes, the balls in the gooch. But some niggas not very explorable. If you're not very explorable, bitch, just a turn off.
How you feel about this, man?
I'm shocked.
So now you gonna exchange information with him or what? And tight, send that bitch and like.
Oh yeah, mom, I'm coming. I'm on the way. Shut up.
You're a fucking
Chameleon. Who said that?
Chameleon?
Put her in the cam.
Bro,
Put her in the cam.
Chameleon?
Ray, put her in the cam.
Chameleon?
Ray, put her in the cam right. Put her in the cam right now.
Your eyes go two different ways.
What? Bro, get her the phone. Every on, bro. She gotta be black.
I'm not black. I'm Asian and Mexican.
Asian.
To the light skin one, you fine. You just pissed me off. Kidding.
The way you switched up is absolutely outrageous.
My bad, bro. My bad.
Y'all were in the jungle.
What history book you was reading?
We was in the jungle?
Y'all was. We rescued y'all. We put you in that boat.
So
Took you
now
over
you say
there.
we off the boat.
Bred y'all, made you into what y'all are today. And now you're the dominant species, because half the fucking white people are scared of you.
Bro, what the fuck?
It's like everybody on here like call me ugly, and every time I do this, they just laugh at me. Like I don't.
You're not ugly though.
So can I get like a number or Instagram?
From who?
Which one?
Dreadhead or?
The one in the black hoodie. I was just gonna say, the dreadhead's still the best, but
Hey.
I was gonna call the dreadhead, but shit.
Oh, you understand?
hard, sis. Relax, sis. Relax.
I be 37, right?
That's Jay.
Yo, what's good?
What you on, gang? You good? You straight?
Yeah, I'm straight, man. What y'all boys on, man?
Shit, chilling. We looking for the hoes type shit.
You looking for the house?
Hey, looking for the hoes type shit.
I know y'all got.
Do you know we got them?
I mean, I know Myers got them.
Oh yeah, he has all the hoes. He has all the hoes. I don't got no hoes. He got all the. How many hoes you got? Show him, Myers.
How much hoes you got, Myers?
10, nigga. You got 10, nigga. Like you feel he coming different, nigga. Like he can share some. You gonna share some hoes?
You gonna share some?
Oh, you gonna share some hoes? You said you gonna share some hoes, man. You know what I'm saying? Wait, out of y'all two niggas though, who get the most bitches? You or him?
I do.
You?
Yeah.
I don't get.
Yeah, he don't.
You don't get no hoes?
Yeah, he don't really get shit.
Why you don't get no hoes? What's stopping you?
Well, that's why he not getting no hoes.
Ooh.
I'm not giving no hoes.
Ooh.
I'm getting hip hoes.
Sorry.
Okay, for sure.
Yeah, I get woo up.
Nope. I get woo.
Wait, what?
What?
What the fuck?
What the fuck is that?
They told me to do it.
Do you know what that
Oh,
means?
sign language.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't.
Oh.
He loves you.
Hey, what the
He
heck?
got rigged.
Bro got rigged.
Bitches, they just throw you the cheeks. What can I say? I've caught a couple.
So like, you can't give him like the digits.
Bro deserves the bitches.
He does.
I know my situation, but I'm not giving my bloods to you.
Okay,
My
okay,
own
okay.
hood, I'm a north, like northern.
Which like,
Okay.
all right. So like, you be getting money?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, that boy got exotics. Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
We got that man.
You know what I'm saying? Okay. Okay.
Man.
Dang. Plus,
So like you
we
be
didn't
like
really-
selling and stuff.
Yeah, but I don't sell eggs. Like we could.
I bet.
We got him.
You fucking got him.
We got him.
Call the Unisub.
We got him.
They're fucking coming for you. Sacramento, we'll see you soon.
Oh shit! That is that nigga. Wait. Oh, that is that nigga. Hey, I just want to say, I wish I'd be like you, boy. I wish I could fuck every bitch I want, Crip. I be fucking a lot of bitches, but Crip, I be one of them bad hoes like you. You be having them bad ass hoes. Like, damn, I be like, why? I just be watching you, Crip. That one hoe, Crip, you fumble on one hoe, I ain't gonna hold you.
You're right.
Which one?
Bad, cuz, Crip,
Which one?
I know what you're talking about.
Crip, she was the light skinned one. What the hell?
Bro, you don't even know how she was behind the scenes though. Like, you know.
Girl, that hoe was bad as fuck. I'm like, cuz, I wanted to slap the fuck out y'all. Like, cuz, this hoe fumble that nigga. You dumb.
But it's
No offense to talk about the white people, but I ain't gonna lie, I don't care if I talk about them. They done had us in slavery for all these damn years. I'm talking about it. Look, every time white people see me, they be like, "Bro, Kai seen that?" They be taking pictures with me and all. Like, it's so funny, bro. Like,
So look, so like you know how you look like Kyle, like I don't look like Duke Dennis.
he tried.
Man.
Oh, he look like Agent.
Phantom?
Phantom too light.
Well, damn, who I look like Chris next door?
You can't hear him.
Stop
Like,
playing.
Stutter a lot.
But nobody's stuttering, bro.
Say it again.
He said.
I'm not saying it. You can say it. You can say
He
it.
said, out of us two, which one looked like we got an STD?
The one in the black. And you. Y'all both do.
No.
Y'all both look like dirty niggas. Look
Ironic.
like y'all don't shower on a daily basis. Like y'all just
You
look
know what? I'm about to give it to you next. How about that?
You said go ahead.
Go ahead.
You gotta tell me twice. Can you sit around?
Shit like this. Where is your dad? Where is your mom? Where is your family?
Yo, back up.
Y'all don't hear all that in the background?
Bro.
You want to kiss?
Chill. Chill. Hey, ma'am. Chill.
Civilized.
Let me ask this question. All right, so look. One of us, right? Got an STD. Who you think it is?
Him with the blue hoodie.
You with the blue hoodie?
Wait, hold up. He really got STDs?
No!
Oh.
He got it. That's why he asked the question.
No,
He's the one who got it. That's why he asked the question. You know dreadhead's always dirty. You know what I'm saying? So it's like...
Oh my
I
God,
don't even have dreads. I don't have dreads.
He do have to take off the...
I don't have dreads. I don't have dreads.
Take it off. Take it off.
Look. You see?
Take the bonnet off.
I think it's not cool, young lady. Okay.
Get back to work. Get back to work. No, wait, no.
What do you mean by that? Get back to work.
I saw the belt. That's like the first thing I thought. I saw the belt. I'm sorry. I wasn't doing it like weird. Oh my God.
You're canceled.
I ain't heard that one yet.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. That's actually scary.
Like, y'all got like the scene. What the?
Can you show me? Hey, is there any way that you can show me a picture real quick?
Hold on. I'm finna try to show you.
Yeah. Yo, I got a question for you though. You know the NPC, the Miles Morales nigga? He be on TikTok saying like, "Thank you for the roses" and stuff.
Yeah.
Do I look like him?
Yes. The little Spider-Man dude.
Yes.
The Spider-Man dude.
Yes.
Nigga, I was. No way.
Bro, do I look like him? Yo,
oh I can see that resemblance.
Bro, why
look at the camera. Move your hand. What the?
Nah. What the fuck?
It's the mustache.
The fuck,
bro. All I see is what glasses, headphones, and hair.
Howdy, hello.
Hey.
Why are you doing all like this and shit? Like,
I'm laughing.
You laughing? Who made you laugh?
Oh, us.
Oh. Cause I called you black. Wait, that's your wall back there?
Mhm.
Can you like go to your wall?
Yeah, like go back to it real quick. Like stand right beside.
God damn. Yo, listen. Who the gay? Oh, it's already you. I'm not even answering the question. I'm
already the one
in the room. It's you. The black person. The black person. Hey, what
Yo.
Nah, I got a question for y'all boys.
Yo.
Alright, what's y'all biggest confession? I never told nobody. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. So, I fucked a girl in the school bathroom. I sucked.
With no rubber.
You
said how old you is? How old you is?
White shirt.
Oh, white shirt. How old you is?
16.
I'll take the charge.
What?
How old are you?
I just turned.
I'm 21.
20. Why you
Whoa. Oh. What you showing me?
Hey.
Yo, back up, bro. Back up. Stop.
2-man.
Kiss. I bet y'all won't kiss. Y'all won't kiss.
Nah.
Oh, bro, y'all won't. Oh, bro, y'all won't.
Hey,
Oh, bro, y'all won't.
Hey.
Oh, y'all won't.
D-verse.
Y'all won't.
D-verse.
On your phone, but you can't.
I can't
You,
see.
I want to see, bro.
I can't
Come
see
on,
y'all.
bro. You gonna show me on your
I
phone,
can't
bro?
see y'all.
But that's not you, bro. If you, yo, chill out. I ain't bricked, bro.
Bro, D-verse tripping, bro. D-verse, read
So like,
chat.
what's your
Read
Instagram?
chat. Read chat.
Okay, rate her twerking.
10.
You need a whooping.
Yeah.
Y'all need a whooping.
Wait, no, y'all mad young. Oh, I'm tripping.
A case won't hurt. It won't even be a case if nobody knows.
No, it's not a case.
Man, what
Hey,
the fuck?
I like
man?
y'all. I like y'all, bro.
Hell no, hell no.
Oh, my nigga.